Alright, this is a quick video on how to replace the visor latch on a Ford F-150. This happens to be a 2010 model. If you notice, this clamp is broken. That happens regularly as the plastic gets older. If you look at the other side, it's supposed to be like that. So this is a pretty easy fix, and actually pretty cheap too. You can go to a wrecking yard, or you pull it, pick one of these up for about $5. Actually, I think you can order them for about 20 from the factory. Need a Phillips screwdriver, just unscrew that all the way. That'll simply come out. Sorry, I got off focus there. Trying to make it a little bit easier for you. But anyway, this is a pretty easy fix. There's a little receptacle there. This is what the part looks like in the back. Replace that with a new one. Like I said, you pick up from the junkyard. Insert the little tab into the opening, and then of course drop your screw. Okay, with a little camera magic there, I picked up the screw, put it back up here, started it again, and then just simply tighten this in to your headliner. You'll feel it go taut here in a second. Give it a good quarter turn. Your visor should flip right into it. No more rattling. Pretty easy. Thank you for watching the video, and subscribe.